What's up everybody, this is Mike and I've been sick for the past couple of days. I've been feeling really bad, just staying at home in my bed doing nothing. You know how depressive those situations could be. So the first thing I did this morning when I felt better was to get my drone and go to the city center where we have a nice park, and I just took off with my drone and recorded some great footage that I want to share with you today. So the point of today's video is to simply remind you to always have fun with your drone and the whole creative process of taking photos or videos. Doesn't really matter what you're into, as long as you're having fun and enjoying this great hobby, it's all good. I think a lot of us sometimes forget to have fun with our drones, just being too focused on camera angles and settings and ND filters and stuff like that. Of course, that's also important, but the main thing is to enjoy what you're doing, and that's what I did this morning. So with that being said, I'm going to roll some footage on the screen right now, and I'll be back with regular uploads very soon. Ciao!